Hello guys! We have another unboxing today. This is a brand new product from the brand Aulumu. Aulumu. I never heard about this brand, but I saw it on crate.com, and yeah, I immediately like this because it has charging for iPhone, for Apple Watch, for iPhone MagSafe, and it also has a cable that you can use, so you can charge 3 devices at once with it. And yeah, let's see what's inside the box. Apparently this is a new Chinese company, premium brand. They focus on premium accessories, so we'll see what's inside this nice box. The box is actually pretty good and the paper is high quality. There is a whole bunch of instructions here. I don't know what for. And this is the Aulumu. First, there is a carrying pouch, which is nice to have a carrying pouch, but I don't know if I will use it. And then this is the power bank itself. It's quite heavy. It's aluminum. This is the power button here. I don't know if it's charged. Yeah, probably should turn it off. I don't know what's happening. It's blinking, but we'll see in the menu. And you can put the cable here for storage. And there is a hole here. I don't know what for. Maybe just for cosmetic purposes. And there is the power bank itself. And we should remove this here, this plastic. Always remove these, guys. And let's try, is there any, it's pretty strong. This is iPhone 12 mini, just for testing it. And yeah, it's charging. And you can see this is the charging animation here. Pretty high quality, I must say. I like it. Very good quality from this brand. It costs around $89. And it shipped for 2-3 weeks from China to Bulgaria. I don't know, maybe there is a faster shipping to some other places in the world. And let's try the Apple Watch charger. Will it charge? It's not happening. I don't know why. Maybe, I don't know if I had to turn it on again. It's charging the watch. Yes, it's charging the watch, but I don't know if it's still charging the phone. Yeah, it's still charging the phone as well. Actually, the phone is on 100%. I don't know what it's charging there. And apparently it's rated for 10,000 milliampere hours, but when you open the specification, it says that the capacity is 5,000 and something milliampere hour, so I don't know what's the deal with it, but it's really nice. And the look a bit resembles the Nothing phone or the Nothing accessories, but yeah, we'll see how this goes. Another perk of this charging brick is that you can put the cable here, and if you tuck it really well and it snaps, and then you can use it to wear it on your belt or on your keyring or on your backpack. I don't know how strong it is. Apparently maybe it will hold it, but yeah, it's a good thing. If you like this video, please check out the other videos on my channel, and like, subscribe, share it with friends. See you in the next one. Peace.